morning. I'm coming to you from Crockett Family Resort. It is very early on a Friday morning, and I came out here to do a little birding while the sun comes up. So far I've seen, I believe, a great egret. I get my egrets and my herons really messed up, so I'll correct myself post video. It's right over there. Holy crap. Oh, we just went into this brush. Hold on, I gotta get a picture. So far we've really liked our stay out here at Crockett Family Resort, just outside of Crockett, Texas. It's really remote. It's out on, this is Houston County Lake. There's not much around except other houses. But yeah, it's a really quiet, peaceful park. There's not a lot of people here, which is kind of crazy to me. You got really big spots, and then there's like nobody else next to you. So you got plenty of room to just, sit back. Trees are amazing out here. I love parks with like lots of tall pine trees, and they've got some out here. I think they're loblolly pines. So the birds that I've seen while I've been out here have been pretty cool. Not too many new birds, but just some of my favorite birds. Pileated woodpecker. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. One of my favorite woodpeckers. One of my favorite birds. They're so huge and just crazy, and I love the sounds that they make. They sound like wild monkeys. Hopefully I'm able to get a picture of them before we leave here. I've seen bluebirds. I think pine warblers. I'm really bad at identifying slightly little yellow birds with a wing bar. They look like a lot of different birds, so I've seen some of those. Lots of red-headed woodpeckers. I've got some shots of those. Carolina wrens. Those are all over. Chickadees. What else? I almost tripped. Don't fall off the pier. Yeah, definitely all of those. Some other ones too that I'm not thinking of right now, but I'll try to you can hear some out there right now. I'll have to go try to catch those on my way back to our trailer. But yeah, this has been a great park. I think anybody would love it. It could use a little cleaning up, I guess. I think but I'm seeing them do a lot of maintenance work around here, like cleaning up. There's a lot of leaves. The laundry room is kind of dirty, so I think they're doing some cleaning up. It looks like they're getting some new washers and dryers in and stuff. But if you're just looking for a really private spot on a beautiful lake, lots of trees, a few people, it's a good spot. They do have a pool. I haven't swam in it because I don't swim. Partially because I don't want to, partially because I can't very well. Yeah, and they've got plenty of like places for kids to play, although I don't see a lot of kids out here. A putt-putt little golf area, though we haven't done it. Again, it's a little run down, some of the stuff, but I think they're doing a lot of maintenance to make things better. And in the meantime, like I said, there's so few people here, lots of space. We've done lots of fires and sitting out at night. It's been really nice. So yeah, if that's your thing, this is a really cool park to stay at outside of Dallas. I think it's like 2 hours outside of Dallas, so not bad. Anyway, good morning. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I know I am, but now it's time to head back to the trailer and get ready and go to work for a little while.